In 60 seconds, we'll replace a Mac laptop battery safely and efficiently. Power off, unplug the charger, and ground yourself to prevent static damage. Gather tools: pentalobe screwdriver, tri-point driver, plastic spudger, and an anti-static mat. Step 1. Remove the back panel by unscrewing the 5 pentalobe screws. Step 2. Disconnect the battery connector using a plastic spudger, avoiding metal tools. Step 3. Remove adhesive tabs and lift out the old battery slowly and evenly. Step 4. Place the OEM replacement battery into the chassis, aligning the connector carefully. Reconnect the battery cable firmly until the connector clicks into place. Reinstall the back panel and tighten the pentalobe screws evenly in a cross pattern. Power on the Mac and open system settings to check battery status and health information. Before replacement, your maximum capacity may be reduced. After installing a new OEM battery, it should show near 100% capacity. Dispose the old battery at an authorized e-waste center and consult a technician if you're unsure.